Here we are having a beautiful day here in Pensacola, Florida. Just now coming back from the tire repair place. I just had a screw in one of my tires, so I had to get it plugged. And I just thought I'd check out this video on how it works driving down the highway. Something new I thought I'd try. But right now we're on Fairfield Drive coming up on Highway 90. And I'm just going to take it all the way in, home. Hey, how about that? We got a guy on a bicycle with a lawnmower. Huh? Wow. Lawn service dude, man. Shit. Can't believe that crap. I would turn my camera, but I can't. He almost got ran over. Anyway, coming up on Home Depot now. This is Highway 90 right here. And I don't think you can see it, but Home Depot is right on my right. I don't know if I can turn the camera or not, but I'll try. Let's see. Got Home Depot right there. And let's see. Still driving down Fairfield. Gonna come up on my street here real soon. Actually about a mile and a half from Home Depot. But enjoy the scenery if you can see it. Maybe we can catch a squirrel running out in front of us or a bird flying down and hitting my windshield. And I couldn't believe that. The other day I was driving down the highway and a bird just dropped out of the sky. Boom, right in front of me. I didn't hit my truck or nothing, but he just fell out of the sky. I don't know what happened, but he just, boom, fell out of the sky. They're doing some construction up here on this road. I don't even know what they're doing. But they just got a little bit of a mess right now. And so I'm going to stop up here at this little convenience store. Actually, you probably heard about it on the news, but one of the T&W convenience stores over on Savannah's got robbed. Well, not got robbed. I guess the guy tried to rob him, and anyways, the guy shot him. And apparently he got a life sentence for it or something. But the guy that got shot was this guy's brother that I guess apparently they got in some kind of argument or something because they used to own all these stores and they split up, and his brother owned this one store that he got killed, and the other store I'm going to stop at to check on the lottery tickets are basically his brother. So if you work in a convenience store, you know how dangerous it can be. I know I used to work at a convenience store, and there was a couple people who tried to shoplift me and everything, and I got the cops on the phone, and they caught him. Walked in on a store, and the guy tried to run. They tackled him down. He threw all the stuff out of his pockets and up under his shirt and his jacket and everything. He threw it on the floor, but he got arrested. I got complimented for that one, by the way. But I don't do convenience stores anymore. I don't like convenience stores. I think it's slave labor. I think even these little, like, little stores like General Dollar and Dollar General and Dollar Tree and all that crap, that's all slave labor, man. Slave labor. I mean, if you don't believe me, ask Deb. But I'm coming up around this curve is where that convenience store is, and I'm going to go in Oh yeah, by the way, Deb wanted me to buy some, what are they, cash free or whatever you want to call it. So I've got to get some of those for her for Friday, which I think is tomorrow. But anyways, this is the convenience store I'm going to stop at. It's called TC Food Mark, and that's where that guy's brother, not this store, but his brother owns this store and runs it. But the other store, that's where he got shot on Savannah's. This one here is on Fairfield. But anyways, I'm going to go in the store. I'll be right back out in a minute. I want to get some lottery tickets for Deb and see what the lottery numbers are here. The scratch offs. Be right back. Okay, back in the truck again. I was talking to Beth, and she was telling me about some guy coming there and bought a Monopoly. He won $1,000. Man, I wish I had one of those. But I got her Powerball, so I don't know what's going to happen. Anyway, I'm going home. Stay with me as I drive home. Sorry about the delay. I don't know if I can cut it out of the video or not, but I don't know. I might not. Who knows? But I'm going home now. This is how far I live from the store. Not that far. So, by the way, this is 77th or 76th, I don't know. Something like that. Let me look real quick. 77th Avenue, and this here is my street. And there's the asshole that lives across the street. I don't like it. Anyway, as you can see as we're driving down the highway here, you always come down here, all you gotta do is look for my two green trash cans, and then you pull in the driveway. But I'm gonna go check the mail, which is right here. Driving on the wrong side of the street now. I know the mailman came because I was out there looking at my garden. And let's see what we got here. Okay. Dental care, vision care, prescription cell phone, and free utilities. Wow. And we got something for Deb. Now, I'm going to back up. And this is my yard. This is my yard. Big yard. And this is where I drive into my driveway. Right here. Oh, I got a mark on my windshield. So I get rid of that mark. Sorry about that, people. Okay. I'm gonna drive in my driveway. Here's my house. I'm going to show you my yard. My yard, how big it is. Big, 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 big. Big old yard, huh? Okay. Enough of that. See if we can find a junk pile. Oink, 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 there's a junk pile. This is my parking spot. I always park here, and there's my shed. There's my man cave. How about that? And my little car reporty type deal thing for I keep on my trailer and stuff in there. That's pretty cool. There we go, straight ahead. That's my little carport. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.